Let's make a creamy lemon and parmesan spaghetti pasta in no longer than 15 minutes. And before you start doing anything else, get your pasta water on the heat with plenty of salt in it. Now for the sauce, set the pan on medium heat, and to this we're adding the following ingredients. To begin with, we're going in with about 10 grams of butter and about 2 tablespoons of extra virgin olive oil. Now I want in some garlic, but we don't want it to overpower the rest of the ingredients. I've got here 2 cloves of garlic, but I'm only gonna crush them with the palm of my hand, and I'm gonna get them straight into the pan. This way, we'll extract some garlic flavor from there, but they won't be too strong. And now we're gonna cook this for about 2-3 minutes to extract some of that garlic flavor. Now I'm gonna reduce the heat to low, and I'm gonna be adding about 1/4 teaspoon of chili flakes. And when it comes to lemon, we're going in with the zest, mix everything together. It already starts smelling quite lemony. And now we're going in with the cream. We've got here 250 milliliters of dairy cream. After adding the cream, we're adding in the juice of half lemon. Now, if you want it more lemony, you can add in the whole thing. We're adding Parmesan, about 30 grams. Now, mix everything together. The garlic has done its job and it can be removed. And I almost forgot, we're going in also with 1/4 teaspoon of freshly ground black pepper. Now, with our pasta cooked al dente, we're getting it straight into the sauce. And if you remember well at the beginning, we added quite a bit of salt into the pasta water. That's why we're not gonna add any more into the pasta, but if you feel like it's needed, you can add some. And I also suggest keeping some of this pasta water in case we need to adjust the sauce. Now after adding our spaghettis in, we want these to absorb some of that flavor from the sauce. That's why we're gonna continue cooking these for a further 2 minutes. And right towards the end, we're going in with a further 20 grams of grated Parmesan cheese and some chopped parsley. Now mix everything together and serve this immediately. Now if you enjoyed this simple recipe, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more simple recipes like this.